Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. It's Vinny with Lifted, Leveled, and Lowered. And today, well, this weekend's gonna be a crazy weekend, so we're gonna start the vlog today, and it's probably gonna end tomorrow night or possibly Sunday, because we have a lot going on, and I really don't feel like editing that much. So, with that being said, we're at Jonathan's house, and he has a...
I got a 2J S14 that I'm gonna be building. I'm gonna do W58 trans and Howtech ECU, and just hopefully make around 400.
And what kind of car?
Oh, S14, 1995.
Let's take a look at it.
It'd be easier to just take out the hood. That way there's like a lot of space.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably would be.
Let's start with that. How you doing?
Wow, is that bright?
Yeah, that's pretty bright, my guy.
It's pretty bright, right?
That is
Blinding.
pretty bright. How you doing, Jalal?
Pretty good. How are you?
Nice to see you, bro.
I know.
Long time no see.
Yeah.
It's been a good 3 to 4 years, bro.
3 to 4 years. Yeah. Sorry. Sewer's been a broke for a while.
What are you doing, Jonathan?
Getting some lighting for you. Hopefully this is bright enough.
So, first step first, you have to take this motor out.
Yeah.
Do we know how to take this motor out?
No, but we're gonna figure it out.
Can't be that bad. It's a 4-cylinder.
They don't know how to take the motor out.
That's the surprise. That is the surprise, guys.
Oh, over there.
That's the surprise.
But they can't get this motor out, so who knows?
Surprise is under the tarp. Bro, it's loud.
What, the car's loud or the motor's loud or what?
Everything.
Everything's loud? I think we should get one last start for the vlog.
Yes.
Right?
I think we should do it. The final goodbye.
Do it for the vlog. And then just hold down the gas pedal till it blows up. No? That wouldn't be funny?
That would be good.
That sounds horrible. That sounds so bad.
Just gonna sit down and put on my coat. That's why you gotta put a 2J in there.
That sounds horrible.
Bench it, bro.
Bench it? I don't think.
The car looks so much cooler without a hood.
Right? That's what I'm gonna run. The motor out first.
Bugs
And
everywhere.
flush everything out.
I'm still gonna have to push it.
Yeah, but then you have to do it from underneath.
Yeah, I'm gonna jack the car up.
Yeah, we jack the car out.
You gotta drag it up.
Gotta pick it up anyway.
Yeah, but I'm saying
Pick
don't
this shit up, bro.
don't flush the fluid because then we gotta go under the car to do the mounts.
Watch how fast I get this motor out. These guys are clowning.
You get what I'm saying? Because the mounts you gotta undo.
You gotta rip that down.
Right. This first.
You might want to get me a cutter so I can undo that.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, so what we gotta do is we gotta unbolt the inner sizer to pop off the screw, and then we push it down and lift the back end and it'll slide right out. Yeah, let me get those. That'll work.
You want the big ones or?
Give me the big ones first. Keep that worse. What are you doing?
Yo, watch it, bro.
Get the hell out of the way, bro.
For the record, those are normal size cutters.
Normal size.
This guy's just huge.
He's trying to do it with a pair of needle nose. Get out of here.
Got it. Got it.
Yo, with this,
No, you
this
didn't.
is. Look at this.
No.
Hey, bitch ass.
You had a head start.
Alright, now I need a 8mm. Here. Why are you using the needle nose? He's using the needle nose.
Needle no.
What?
Needle nose.
Those are needle nose pliers.
I don't know. Why did they
Let's show the world.
You guys can move
Needle
your car.
nose.
What?
You guys can move your car real quick because you gotta get out.
Oh, which car?
Both of you.
Okay.
Both blocking. And I'm just watching.
Don't worry. I'll just take your whole motor out, bro, while you just watch. It's all good.
That's why I invited you with the camera.
But I tell everybody that I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so. Get that out of there.
I'm actually proud of him. He's doing some work.
More? Right there. If you could explain to me how you're going to get this up with all the crap you have in the way.
We're not. We have to move some stuff, right? I can't break this.
You're gonna go up 1 inch at a time?
My dad's new bumper. Watch me end up cracking this.
For what car?
Tundra.
You're reading directions. That's the most easiest thing to do.
Hey, don't judge. I'm doing my part at least.
Jalal's doing a part, building the engine holder thingy.
Yep.
Engine holder thingy. Good job, Jalal.
Are you proud of me, Dad?
Oh, what did I tell you about that?
Sorry, Uncle.
There you go. Weirdo.
Did he just call you dad?
Yeah, what a weirdo. Jonathan's been trying to take off this radiator for like 45 minutes.
Chill.
How's it going, Jonathan?
Bro, I can't find any sockets, bro.
Good morning, everybody. Day 2. I'm exhausted. As you see, it looks like I just woke up. Behind me, we have a lot of tires. We are headed to Drift HQ's Immokalee drift event. Really excited. Never been in a drift car. Gonna go drifting today. But most importantly, Hercules Tire is gonna be there representing. And today should be an awesome day. Alright guys, we made it to Drift HQ. Got the Hercules man set up, tent set up, tires are rocking. It's gonna be a pretty cool event today. He's sending you guys a lot of stuff. Shout out to my boy Jonathan for helping me set up today.
So hold me tight, your hands in mine. Don't look behind, we will be feeling safe. This world's insane, now run away. And when we reach that place,